and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a very quick video for you. Just all about how I apply winged eyeliner. Or eyeliner at all really. Someone on Instagram asked me to do a video on how to apply, you know, one of those lines above the eyes. The eyeliner. And yeah, that has been something actually I've been contemplating doing for a while. But there's so many tutorials online already on how to do an eyeliner that I really felt like it wasn't... You know, like I wasn't sure if a tutorial by me would actually add anything. However, then I figured, thinking about it, you know, like everyone has a different way of doing eyeliner. Everyone has different preferences. Everyone has different techniques, even if they differ only slightly. So it might actually be useful, I hope it will be useful, for you to see how I do it and hear my tips and tricks. So yeah, one thing beforehand, by the way, even though eyeliners are like the most sort of common fancy makeup things, they're difficult. That's just a fact. Like, you have the symmetry, the fact that you want them to be nice and crisp. And also the fact that eyeliner is usually black. And especially if you have fair skin, mistakes are going to be very, very noticeable. So yeah, you know, if you're just starting out with makeup and you can't get it right at the, you know, first attempt, don't be too disappointed. Just keep trying. I mean, trust me, when I started doing makeup in high school, eyeliner was just an impossible thing to me. Like, I was completely awful at it. So yeah, like, I didn't learn this in one day either. So, you know, if you're struggling with it, just keep practicing, keep trying, and you will get it right sometime. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The eyeliner that I'm going to use today is the Rimmel Glam'eyes Professional Liquid Liner in the shade Black Glamour. I don't even know if they have multiple shades, but anyway, it's this one. Yeah, this is my favorite type of eyeliner, but it's entirely up to you what you prefer. You could use a liquid liner like this, with a little pointy brush. Or you could use a felt tip, you could use gel eyeliner in a jar. You could even use an eye pencil, however with an eye pencil you won't get a very nice sharp winged liner. However with a pencil, you can actually make a very nice line above the eyes. It's just that it won't be very tight. But if you're a beginner, that might actually be very useful, because you can even smudge it out and it'll look fine anyways. There's also cake eyeliner, which comes in a little jar as well, like the gel eyeliner. But cake eyeliner needs to be activated with water, much like face paint really. I do have two that I really like of those. I really love the Peggy Sage one. I also like the Catrice one, but the Catrice one is less black. But again, that is actually very useful to practice with, because it's easier to wipe off than a liquid liner. And you know, it's a little bit more forgiving because it's not complete black. So I just brought you up a little closer so you can properly see my eyeball. But anyway, one thing I wanted to mention before as well is you can easily lean your elbow on the table if you're doing this on yourself, just at your own vanity. Which is very handy because you'll be more, you know, like your hand will shake less. Personally, I actually never do that, because like this, when I'm filming, I don't have a table in front of me, so I wouldn't be able to lean my elbow on anything. And when I'm doing makeup on another person, I also don't have a table between them and me. So what I like to do is just lean my elbow against my body, so I still have that steadiness. So what I like to do is just start with the most difficult part. Getting my hair out of my face, yep. But the most difficult part, which to me is the wing, to most people it is. I just try to visualize a line between my outer corner and my eyebrow. And then of course check if it's even with the other eye, if you've already done the other eye. And then connect it. By the way, I'll try to do this in real time. I will cut a few times, just because I'll need to refocus the camera every now and then. But yeah, just so you can really see how long it takes me to do an eyeliner. Oh, and also, by the way, always give yourself the time to blink in between. Really consciously try to blink, because if you wait too long, your eye is probably going to blink on its own because of it getting too dry, and then you'll, you know, smudge your eyeliner all over. And in the inner corner I prefer to just follow my lash line, because I want it to be thinner anyway. And then once we have the basic shape there, I'm going to focus on actually making the line neat on top. So really take your time with this. It's also a lot easier when you're not talking at the same time. And then you have a winged eyeliner. Made a tiny little mistake up there, but you won't see it with the mascara on. So this is basically my average, everyday, normal, casual eyeliner. You can of course just cater it to your own needs. You can make the wing longer, you can make the wing shorter, you can make it thicker, you can make it thinner. You can make the front part thicker or thinner. You could just leave the wing out entirely and just do a thin line above your eyelashes. That's what I sometimes do when I just want to wear falsies and want to hide the lash band. But yeah, so just cater it to your own needs, and that's just really the thing with eyeliner, you know, you can just make it however you want, but this is just the whole average eyeliner thing, the way I do it. So yeah, basically that's my entire tutorial for today. I really hope it was useful, and yeah, if you did like this video, please click the like button, it would really help me out. If you want, you can also subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of makeup tutorials and chatty videos and, you know, extra videos like this. Also below the video I'll put the name of the eyeliner that I used. Of course, like I said at the beginning, you can use any eyeliner you prefer. But this is one that I really like. So if you're looking for a good black eyeliner that's truly intensely black yet very comfortable to wear, I really do recommend this one because it's really black and really comfortable. So yeah, also below the video you can find a full list of all my social media accounts, names, links, stuff like that. I'm mostly active on Instagram, unsurprisingly with a lot of makeup. And other than that, that's really just my entire video for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, like I said before, and I really hope you'll have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!